Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. Inshallah today we're going to learn about الصفة والموصوف, adjective. Okay, let's take a look at the first example. Malaysia baladun mutatawwirun. Okay, Malaysia baladun mutatawwirun means Malaysia is a developed country. So which one is noun and which one is adjective? Baladun, we call it as mausuf. Mutatawwirun is the adjective. Baladun, country. Mutatawwirun, developed. Okay, and then we can see here that in English the adjectival phrase shows this construction, adjective plus noun. But then in Arabic, this order is reversed. Okay, the big house becomes in Arabic al-baytu al-kabir. Al-baytu al-kabir. Okay, the big is al-kabir. House is al-bayt. Then al-bayt comes first, then al-big. The big. Okay, al-kabir. And then we have the adjective must agree with the noun in several cases, in several aspects. The first one is definiteness. Okay, if the modified noun is definite, the adjective must be definite, and vice versa. For example, as-sahatu al-wasi'ah. So we can see here we have alif lam. As-sahatu al-wasi'ah. Sahatun wasi'atun is a wide field. As-sahatul wasi'ah, the wide field. The wide field. So we can see that alif lam here defines definite. Tanween over here defines indefinite. But there's a case where, for example, the possessive pronoun, which means ad-dhamair, okay, make the noun definite without the alif lam. Madrasati, my school. Mudarrisahum, their teacher. Kitabuna, our book, are all definite. Therefore, the adjective modifying also definite. Okay, for example, baladi is my country. So the adjective that comes after must be in definite form, which means alif lam. Baladi al-jamilu. Baladi al-jamilu. Okay. The second aspect that we have to see is the aspect of gender. Okay, if the modified noun is masculine, for example, al-manzar al-jamil. Al-manzar al-jamil means a beautiful scenery. So al-manzar comes in muzakkar, so al-jamil, the sifah, must also be in muzakkar. The same thing goes as al-qissatu ra'i'ah, the interesting story. So al-qissa in mu'annas, al-ra'i'ah must comes in mu'annas as well. Okay, and it follows, agrees in the term of number. For number one, we have mufrad. Okay, if the modified noun is singular, the adjective must be also singular. At-talibul mumtaz. If the modified noun is dual, the adjective must also be dual. At-talibani al-mumtazani. And if the modified noun is plural, the adjective must be also plural. For example, at-tullabul mumtazuna. Okay, but in a special case, okay, if the noun is non-human plural, the adjective must be feminine singular. Like I always say, 1P. Okay, so al-manazir in jamak taksir, al-sayyarat in jamak mu'annas salim, al-shawati in jamak taksir, but all of them agrees on, all of them are non-human plural. Okay, al-manazir al-jamilah, beautiful sceneries. Al-sayyarat al-mashhura, of the famous cars. Al-shawati al-nazifa, the clean beaches. Okay, can you see how the noun is non-human, and then the adjective must be in feminine singular. And lastly, we have it follows the case. What is the case? Okay, we have seen marfu, mansub, and majrur. Okay, marfu is like this, nominative case. Mansub is qitaran sari'an, and majrur in genitive case, jaziratin kabira. For example, number 1, Proton X70 sayaratun mashhuratun. See, mashhuratun follow the case of sayara. في ماليزيا قضى أحمد عطلته في جزيرة كبيرة. في هذه مجرور، وكبيرة أيضا مجرور. يركب السياح قطارا سريعا. In is accusative case. So we can see how the الصفة follow الموصوف. الصفة follow الموصوف in terms of the first one is definiteness, and then gender, as well as number, and as well as case. There are four things that they follow. Okay, now let's take a look at التدريب الأول. استخرج الصفة الموصوف من النص وأكمل الجدول الآتي. في الأسبوع الماضي ذهبت إلى جوهور مع أسرتي بالسيارة الجديدة. نحن توجهنا إلى نوساجايا ونزلنا في فندق جميل لجولان، ثم زرنا مسجد السلطان أبو بكر، وهو مسجد مشهور في جوهور. وفي المساء تجولنا في شاطئ ديسارو وقضينا يوما سعيدا وشعرنا بالفرح والسرور. Okay, so how do we detect الصفة? So the first thing that you have to do is you must remember. You have to memorize several vocab that related to الصفة. For example, big, kabir, beautiful, jamil, wide, wasi', and so on and so on. Okay, so let's identify which one is الصفة والموصوف, the adjective. Okay, the first one we see الجديدة, السيارة الجديدة. السيارة الجديدة is beautiful car. السيارة الجديدة. And then the second one I see جميل, فندق جميل, فندق جميل. Okay, the third one I can see مسجد مشهور, مسجد مشهور. So this is the third one. The fourth one would be يوما سعيدا. يوما سعيدا is a happy day. It's a happy day. يوما سعيدا. There are supposed to be 5 of them. سيارة جديدة, فندق جميل, مسجد مشهور, يوما سعيدا. الفرح والسرور. الفرح والسرور means happy and joy. بالفرح والسرور. See, الفرح is not just happy, a happily joy, a happily an excitement. بالفرح والسرور also we can put it in the column. So I will leave you with the exercises. Okay, please do the exercises and then submit your work before 10 o'clock for your attendance. Especially this part of exercise which you have to form sentences. Okay, please take note of the gender of the case, and as well as the definiteness here. Okay, al-karimun qaribah. Okay, so thank you everyone. If you have any question, you just ask me and I will try to entertain you, inshallah. Okay, so don't forget to submit your work for the attendance purpose. I will see you inshallah in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.